How to fix Google Maps orientation. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your Google Maps application. Then what you want to do is keep it open, hold your device firmly in your hand, then move your phone through the air in a large sweeping figure 8 pattern 3 to 5 times. Twist and tilt your wrist slightly while tracing the loop shape. Moving your phone through the specific motion pattern forces your phone's internal magnetometer sensor to recalculate the Earth's true magnetic field lines across all physical axes, instantly snapping your location beam direction back to normal. What you could also do is click your profile icon on the top right, then go ahead and scroll down over to settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down over to navigation settings, and within navigation settings, scroll down to the map display settings block and keep map north up. You want to make sure that is enabled on. And then that's it. You'll literally just be good to go. Keep map north up, as you can see right there. Enable it, and then that's going to be fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials as well.